So you want to be a YouTuber, and can you actually earn a living making videos? Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Rob Motive JT. So you want to be a YouTuber, and can you actually make money doing this? First of all, you might be wondering, why are you talking about this on a Jeep channel? I want Jeep mods and Jeep stuff. Well, the reason is because recently I've been getting a lot of personal emails from people asking me that very question. How do you become a YouTuber? What do you need, and can you earn a living doing it? So I thought to address those, I would put a brief little video on here about it. We're not going to go into heavy detail. This isn't a step-by-step how to be a YouTuber video. These are the basics to get started and get rolling. So what do you need? Well, number one, you need a camera. That's really all you need. Now, I'm not suggesting you go out and buy some big expensive camera. Matter of fact, don't do it. How do I know? I've done it. What a waste of money. Spent like 600 bucks on one of those fancy dancy cameras and then realized they're too cumbersome to use. They're too heavy. They don't work well when you're moving around and doing stuff. You know, if you're gonna stay stationary and you're just gonna have it sit there, then maybe it'll work for you, but you don't need it. Use your cell phone. I think every cell phone out there today has a video camera already on it. You can use that, the quality is fine, and that is perfectly good enough to get you started. Maybe down the road, if you want something else like a Canon GX7 or G7X or a GoPro, invest then. But start making some money before you start spending the money. Number two, time to grow. Give it time. You know, unless you're one of the lucky few, you're probably not gonna put out one video and be a success overnight. It takes time to grow on YouTube, somewhere in the 2 to 4, 5 year range. And that's if you're putting out videos consistently, and a lot of them. Number three, schedule for uploads. And this is important, and I got this advice actually from a huge YouTuber, Casey Neistat, once said that put out tons and tons of videos. You have to put out videos all the time. Frequently, sometimes 2-3 times a day. And I think there's a lot of validity in that. You have to get yourself out there. Nobody knows you exist. When you first put that video, or when you put that first video out there, nobody knows about it. Nobody knows who you are. So you kind of have to keep putting them out there so people get familiar with you. There's a list of videos out there, content. Make sure that you schedule frequently and make sure that you're consistent. You know, don't put a video out today at 3 o'clock and then 2 weeks from now at 5 o'clock and then a month from then you're never gonna get anywhere. If you're serious about it, you have to upload on a schedule and you have to do it frequently. Me personally, I do videos every day. When I first started doing this, I was doing videos 3-4 times a day. You gotta do it frequently. Number four, comments. When people take the time to comment on one of your videos, make sure that you respond, and respond in a timely manner. If somebody leaves you a comment, even if you're just saying thank you or I appreciate that or whatever, you need that interaction. People need to feel that they're connected with you. Make sure that you respond to comments and do it on a timely basis. Don't wait long periods of time to interact with the people that have taken their time to interact with you. Number five, content. How do you come up with content? Well, first of all, get into something that you're passionate about. You know, it'll come through on the video. If you're not passionate about something, why would other people take their time to watch you talk about it? Look for other videos on the web. That's a great source to find content for you. Now, I'm not saying copy what everybody else has done, but the idea out there, especially videos that have done well, put your own twist on it, put your own spin on it. Come up with original ideas to something that's already been done. Number 6, risk. Don't be afraid to take risks. You know, you never know what's going to hit, particularly in this field. It could be anything. But I will tell you, it being YouTube, the internet, viewers will determine what you're good at. When you get a video that does hit, you found something that people are interested in watching you do or you talk about. Make sure that you pay attention to that. It's very important. I have seen people start out, try to get into YouTube. They have a big video. Let's say it's about, I don't know, cooking. And then the next day they're changing the oil in their car. I mean, you know, they're not related. And that audience that was watching you cook, that was interested in seeing that, is probably not going to be interested in watching you change the oil in your car. But take risks. It's good to go try different things until you find your niche. And again, the viewers will determine what that is. Lastly, money. Can you earn a living on YouTube? You certainly can, but you're probably not going to do that right off the bat. As I mentioned earlier, time to grow. That's what income is derived from. You need to grow. You need to have a base that's interested in watching your videos. That's how you get paid. Well, one of the ways you get paid on YouTube is by the ads that pop up. Hopefully you've seen a couple of them during this video, because that means I'm getting paid and I am a professional YouTuber. This is what I do. I depend on this to pay my bills, to feed myself, all that good stuff. Are you going to make a ton of money? Well, not at first. I mean, you may not even get paid the first time you're eligible to be paid, which, by the way, takes a certain number of subscribers and watch time anyway. You don't start making money as soon as you get on YouTube, even though you might see ads playing on your videos. That doesn't mean you're going to get paid. So give it a while. Make sure that you've got 2, 3, 4, some people take even longer, years before you're expecting to earn any kind of money on YouTube. It takes time. Again, there are exceptions. There are people who have put one video out and all of a sudden they've met all the requirements and they're making a fortune. But that's kind of like hitting the lottery, you know? Doesn't happen to everybody. Probably not going to happen to you. I hope it does. I hope if you're new and you're just starting out that you're very successful in the beginning, that you start earning a decent income right away. But it does take time. The other way to earn money on YouTube is, of course, sponsorships. That usually doesn't come until you get big enough, because obviously advertisers that are going to invest in you want a return on their investment. So they want a big, broad audience. Another reason why your channel needs to grow. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, talk about that a little bit. I've been getting a strangely large number of questions recently on this channel, Rob Motive JT, about it. So I thought I'd break away from the normal Jeep or mod type videos to kind of talk about that a little bit. Leave a comment. Let me know. Are you jumping into the YouTube creator world? And how's it going for you? I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Rob Motive, all about my 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and Rob Motive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra. Check them out, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.